Well, I practiced for 22 years in just a civil law practice, and a lot of my practice was in the state court of Bibb County. And so at some point I thought, you know, if I'd like to be a judge sometime, I'd like to be in the state court of Bibb County. I like the type of work that's there in that court. And 10 years ago, they created a second position for a judge in the state court of Bibb County, and I wasn't sure that it was good timing for me to apply for it, but a lot of people encouraged me to apply, and so I knew that's where I would love to be ultimately, and applied and was blessed to be appointed and then get reelected. I think the thing that I like most about it is I feel comfortable in the role. I enjoyed practicing law, but the role of advocate didn't fit me as well as the role of a neutral, I think. So I'm comfortable doing it and enjoy being in this position and trying to help people find a resolution for a dispute, and if not, then bring them to a resolution or declare a resolution. A couple of things. One, I would say, is we just did our strategic plan last year, and so we have a whole list of things to accomplish, and I'm kind of taking my role as president-elect to champion those things that are in there. But at the same time, I think a lot of times organizations end up being more about the organization than about the purpose of the organization, and so I don't want to do that in a way that requires our judges do a lot of extra work that's not really facilitating what they're doing. So I want to make sure that what we do as a council is making it easier for our judges to be judges. A couple of things. One, my dad recently gave me a book on John Adams by Dan Abrams, which I'm reading that because my dad enjoyed it, basically. And then another is a book called Living with Your Adult Children. And the tagline to it is revealing, which is keep your mouth shut and your welcome mat out, which is we've got adult children, and it's an interesting stage of life to be interacting with them and seeing the decisions they make and keeping your mouth shut.